So the Ray-Ban Meta collaboration for their Wayfarers and other designed glasses or smart glasses have been around for a little while, but they just dropped a new limited edition version and we got them in-house right here. They are actually very cool to see. They're a transparent frame with actually those color changing lenses that shift from clear to dark in your lighting environment. We have them in-house. These just came out. I actually like the packaging. As you can see, with the right light when it hits, the package is a little more shinier. It kind of alludes to that transparent, shiny look on the frame. Let's go ahead and unbox this and check them out. So while the specs are all the same on this version as with the ones that have come before it with this latest generation, this is truly the only differentiating factor being the obvious look of these frames. So, same packaging, simple tear strip to open them up, and let's actually give them a check. If you're not familiar with these Ray-Ban Meta collaboration, they do come in a charging case. As you can see, you have a little LED indicator there. You're going to have some reading material, a cleaning cloth, and a charging cable as well. That is going to come in the packaging or in the actual case itself. Here's a little get started guide. And obviously you're going to want to sync it to your smartphone as well so you can transfer photos and videos and all of that. So let's go ahead and just slide all this over and take a look at the stars of the show. And right off the bat, those are really cool. I'm glad to see they are leaning in to the whole technology aspect of these glasses instead of just making them something of, you know, an accessory and not very high techie, so to speak, in exterior looks. So you can see all of the internal components here, the speaker, the cameras are accented with those rings around it. They're definitely leaning in to exactly the technology piece of these glasses rather than just style. I think these look really good to begin with. Huge fan actually. One thing that I'm very concerned and curious to see is just how dark these lenses get. As you can tell, obviously, they are transparent when there's not a lot of light, but if you go outside in daylight, you will actually be able to see these tint darker as needed. So let me go ahead and put these on and show you how they look. So the look is definitely not going to be for everybody, but what do you think? I'm trying to look and see myself. I'm kind of unsold currently. They almost look like safety glasses, as weird as that sounds. But how do you guys like the look of these frames? Is it something you can see yourself wearing? And again, that is pretty sweet. I really do like the transparent look. Nothing kind of brought that back. And I definitely like the way these are designed. If you're a classic Wayfarer fan, these could be the way to go. You can even see inside some of those extra cords as well, even in the nose bridge here. It's actually really interesting to see. It is very cool. I'm going to go ahead and take them outside now to show you what they look like. So we're outside and the lenses actually transitioned very quickly. I'm actually pretty impressed. They definitely don't get as dark as what I was assuming them to get, but again, it's not a surprise. What I will say is pretty neat though, is just how clear the lenses still look from my perspective. Looking out, the shade did not change from my perspective. So again, outside with a darker frame, it looks a lot better. Personally to me, it is very bright out. I don't anticipate them getting too much darker than this, just depending on your position you're in. So, short, quick video for you guys today. What do you think? Can you see yourself wearing these? It's definitely not for everyone, like I said. Comment down below. I'll throw up affiliate links if you're interested in picking them up. If not, just the standard stories as well. They're all over Amazon, Best Buy, you name it, you can find a pair. So they're going to be available also. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.